Are you looking for the best stick welder? I have compiled a list of top 5 best stick welders this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Zeny Arc Welding Machine. This stick welder, which operates at 115 to 230 volts with a 60 Hz current, includes an electrode holder and a 6.4-foot cable, a work clamp and a 5-foot cable, and an input power adapter cable and plug. You can use this stick welder on stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, and other metal materials. Featuring a steel frame and a plastic handle, the unit itself arrives ready to weld. It's made with smart inverters that switch from AC to DC power and incorporates a step-down transformer for the perfect voltage and current. It also includes 3 levels of protection for overload, overvoltage, and overcurrent situations. Some users have found that the welder will not maintain an arc. If you do run into any issues, reach out to Zeny's customer service team, and they will be happy to replace or refund your purchase if there are any defects. Number 2. Forney Easy Weld Arc Welder. This stick welder is incredibly easy to use because of its easy start technology that makes arc strikes effortless. It operates on an inverter power system with 120-volt input and 90-amp output, and it handles a rod up to 1/8 inch. The stick welder includes an 8-foot electrode holder and an 8-foot ground clamp. The entire welding unit weighs 9.65 pounds and measures 12 x 5.5 x 10.5 inches, making it perfectly portable for bringing anywhere you need to weld. This stick welder is an excellent choice for beginners, but it's also beneficial for DIY enthusiasts, maintenance work, and well-versed experts. One downside is that it is a great product for beginners, but advanced welders may want to consider a different product for more difficult welding jobs. The welder is not quite as advanced as other models built for professionals for its premium price point. Number 3. Amico 160 amp Stick Welder. Whether you're using this stick welder at home or a job site, it'll deliver a strong, concentrated, and more stable arc. It's optimized to deliver a flawless weld, limiting spatter and post-weld cleanup. It has a cellulose electrode with force adjustment, and IGBT inverter technology provides stability, hot start, anti-sticking, and steepled amperage control. You'll also enjoy automatic compensation for voltage fluctuations, as well as overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, and overload protection. This stick welder has a wide voltage range of 100 to 250 volts and 50 to 60 Hz for long welding jobs. Although it is advertised to work with voltages ranging from 100 volts to 250 volts, many users have reported blown fuses with this product. If you have 220 volt outlets, it is highly recommended to only use this welder with those higher voltage outlets to prevent blown fuses. Number 4. Titanium Stick 225 Inverter Welder. If you can't get a consistent, reliable arc from your welder, what's the value in using it? The Titanium Stick 225 Inverter Welder will solve this problem, delivering consistency with every use and every arc. This stick welder is designed for power delivered via a lightweight package. It uses lightweight inverter technology to provide users with consistent, reliable, and stable arc starts that are better than the competition. You'll easily stay in control of your welding work with a set of easy access controls, which allow you to make precise adjustments. A DC output gives the welder a smoother bead profile too. And when it comes to options, this stick welder delivers them. It offers dual voltage technology, so you can choose a 120 volt or 240 volt input. When it comes to safety, this stick welder features overcurrent protection and an indicator light that makes it easy to tell whether your device is on or off. It also includes an electrode holder and ground clamp for a complete package. Number 5. AHP AlphaTIG 200X Stick Welder. This welding machine supports both TIG and stick welding. You can switch between these two welding modes very easily. Depending on your project, you can also easily switch between AC or DC output mode in 2T and 4T sequencer modes with the included remote. The 2T mode is perfect for beginners. You will have to use the torch switch cable or connect the foot pedal in this mode. The 4T mode offers 4 cycles for more experienced welders. This product is fully capable of welding aluminum, mild and stainless steel, iron, copper, and more metals. The maximum metal thickness you can weld is 3/8 inches, and the minimum is 0.040 inches. The instruction manual is not as detailed as you may need, so to familiarize yourself with this model and maximize its efficiency, visit the AHP website, read about the product, and watch tutorial videos.